Wycliffe is known as morning star of Reformation. Geoffrey Chaucer is known as father of English literature, morning star of Renaissance. Morning star of Reformation John Wycliffe को बोल रहे Renaissance is Geoffrey Chaucer. The Well of English Undefiled by Edmund Spenser. The Well of English Undefiled एडमंड स्पेंसर ने बोला चौसर को. एंड विलियम डनबर इज जॉफ्री चौसर ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड. विलियम डनबर इज द जॉफ्री चौसर ऑफ स्कॉटलैंड. थॉमस मोर इज फर्स्ट ऑफ द मॉडर्न पैसिफिस्ट. थॉमस मोर इज द first of the modern pacifist. Edmund Spenser, the child of Renaissance. Poet by Charles Lamb, the child of Renaissance. The morning star of Renaissance is Geoffrey Chaucer, and the child of Renaissance is Edmund Spenser. And poets by Charles Lamb. Thomas Kidd is known as Sporting Kids by Ben Jonson. Thomas Kidd को Ben Jonson ने Sporting Kid बोला. The Francis Bacon is known as father of empiricism because he uses very scientific ideas in his work. So he is known as the father of empiricism, Francis Bacon. And William Shakespeare, the Bard of Avon. Christopher Marlowe, Kit Marlowe. John Milton is the Lady of Christ College. John Milton is the Lady of Christ College because he is very handsome, I think. That's why. Daniel Defoe is the master of illusionist. Daniel Defoe is the master of illusionist. The Tories is Jacobite. The Tories is Jacobites, like who favors monarchy. Like Dryden favors James. And जेम्स को कैसे करेगा. जेम्स सेकेंड आई थिंक सो. तो ड्राइडन जो है किंग को सपोर्ट कर रहा था. एंड जो किंग को सपोर्ट करते हैं उन्हें टोरीज बोलते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई ड्राइडन इज टोरीज एंड जैकोबाइड आल्सो. Walter Scott is known as the Wizard of the North. Walter Scott is the writer of Romantic Age and the Wizard of the North. रॉब रॉय वगैरह वॉल्टर स्कॉट ने लिखा है. थॉमस कैम्पबेल, Pope of Glasgow. Thomas Campbell is known as Pope of Glasgow. Lord Byron is known as revolutionary poet. Lord Byron is known as revolutionary poet. And P.B. Shelley is known as Mad Shelley या फिर Eton atheist. Revolutionary poet. Why revolutionary poet? Lord Byron is revolutionary poet because revolution in writing style. He wrote about the Napoleon. So that is why he is revolutionary poet Lord Byron. P.B. Shelley is known as Mad Shelley, Eton atheist. Thomas Carlyle is known as Sage of Chelsea. Thomas Carlyle is known as Sage of Chelsea. And Edgar Allan Poe is known as father of detective story. Edgar Allan Poe is known as father of detective story. Jingleman. Edgar Allan Poe is known as father of detective story. And Jingleman said by Ralph Waldo Emerson. Edgar Allan Poe is known as Jingleman said by Ralph Waldo Emerson. They both belongs to American age. I think modern age. John Ruskin is known as the prophet of modern society. John Ruskin is known as the prophet of modern society. Fyodor Dostoevsky is known as a jailbird of Russia. Fyodor Dostoevsky is known as a jailbird of Russia. And George Meredith is known as 19th century Richardson. George Meredith is known as 19th century Richardson. George Meredith is modern writer, I think modern writer and modern British writer. And 19th century Richardson because of Samuel Richardson who wrote Pamela. And Robert Frost. Robert Frost is the poet of terror. Robert Frost is known as the poet of terror. And T.S. Eliot is known as 20th century Dryden. T.S. Eliot is known as 20th century Dryden because they both belongs to classicism. classicist. They followed the classicist writers, T.S. Eliot and Dryden.